In this video, I will show you how to make a backup of your Exodus wallet. So first of all, open up your Exodus wallet app, and from here navigate to the tab all the way at the bottom right. And from here, go ahead and click on Security. And once we are in this tab, we can click on Backups all the way at the top. And in here, you can see that we have two options to back up our Exodus wallet. And the first way is with an iCloud backup, and the other way is with a secret phrase. And with the iCloud backup, you can basically secure your wallet in iCloud and restore it with a passkey using Face ID or Touch ID. And if you're using the secret phrase method, you are basically going to see your 12-word recovery phrase, and then you can use this to restore your wallet anytime. And I think it's recommendable to use the secret phrase as your preferred method, because if you have your 12-word recovery phrase, you can basically restore your wallet anytime. So if you want to use this method, then just go ahead and click on this, and then check this box down below, and then you only need to click on View Secret Phrase to see your words. And please note that this is really sensitive information, because if someone has access to your secret phrase, they can literally steal all of your funds and basically get into your wallet. So store it somewhere safe, and then make sure that you can always access this yourself. So that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.